Hello all, today in this video I'm going to provide details regarding XAI with the same intrusion detection dataset which we have done previously, that is UNSW in the previous code as a continuation of the previous code, but in this work we are going to work with um, another algorithm, that is KNN. So in the same data set only. So for that we are importing the libraries, and then we are importing the warning messages, etc. The libraries, apart from the OS and warnings, we are then importing numpy, pandas, and then we are reading our data set where so that is UNSW. This dataset I downloaded from Kaggle and I'm calling the head of the dataset. You can see this is the dataset entries. The final with label we can use, we will be using as the y variable, and the other which are numerical values. Some of the numerical values only we are going to call as x variable. So we can make it in the further session. So now we are calling the info of the dataset. By this we can determine the type of the data which we are having in the data set, whether which is integer or float or object. Only object features we are going to use it, and then we are checking whether if the data set is having any null value. So if it is having, means we have to make some preprocessing process. Then we are declaring the x variable and y variable. So as I said previously, some of the numerical values in the data set we are declaring for the x variable, and the label variable also, label variable which is a numerical variable, that variable will be served as the y variable. So if it is a categorical, means we have to change that as numerical values. Then we are splitting our data set by using the train test function, and the testing size we have used a 0.2. So if you want some other person, means you have to just make that changes in that. That is here 20% will go for testing and the balance 80% will go for training. So based on your requirements, you have to change that test size, and from this we will get declare of four variables like x train, x test, and y train, y test. And then since we are also making to display the xi, we are going to import the line variable, the line library, and also we are declaring an explainer to display the line uh, figures. So now in this code we are making with the KNN dataset. So here you can see initially we have declared what are the libraries which we needed, like KNN, then accuracy score, then classification report, confusion matrix, that and all we have declared. And then we are declaring this that is we are calling our k nearest neighbors library, and here we have, can you see that the n neighbors, that is the number of neighbors which we have declared is 7. You can change as per your wish. And then we have training or function by using the fit variable, and testing or function by using the predict variable. And then we are declaring the accuracy score, and also then we are declaring our confusion matrix. So this is the confusion matrix for the KNN algorithm. And then we are also declaring the classification report. So here you can see the accuracy for KNN is 90. Already we have done with the different algorithms like a decision tree and also logistic regression. So in the decision tree, the accuracy is 93, and in logistic regression is the 72. So from that we can declare that when compared with this particular data set, when compared to logistic regression, both the decision tree and KNN are providing better results. But when compared to decision tree and KNN, only decision tree is providing better results as per accuracy. So since decision tree is having nearly 93% accuracy, and this KNN is having only 90% accuracy, then we are making to display the line plot, that is XAI plot. Here you can see it is having nearly 7 features, since here we have called the features as 7. So if you want to say change the number of features, means here you can say, change. So if you are giving 6, means in that case we have to rerun our work. And then you can see it will show only 6. So already if you see the difference means it was having only 7 variables, but in this case since we change the number of features, it is changing. Here also it will show for 7 variables, but now we have changed it as 6 now. So now if you are running means only 6 will be displayed. So this is the plot for XAI with the KNN. In the next code we can see with some other machine learning algorithm. Thank you.